Hello and welcome to this new video in the Mayastar7 features. Today we're going to take a look at other tools that we can find here in the rigging panel. And something that we haven't talked about is the actual scale of our avatar. So right here we have these meters and set, which means that we currently are in centimeters. So what we can do is set this entire thing to meters. So if I do set now, it's gonna set it at scale meters, at meter scale, and now the tag here has changed. So it detects that we are in meter scale, and what we can do is set it back to centimeters. So as you can see, it updates depending on what it finds in the scene. Okay, so the other tools are down here about the selections, about the joints, geometry, and stuff. So if I select that one and open up the geometry here, we have object or last mode. Okay, we had vertex selection mode earlier, so we now have vertices. If I had edge selection mode and do object, it goes back to object mode. And if I click it again, it goes back to edge selection mode. This is a feature that was already there from the previous MayaStar versions, and it's now available down here. And of course, you can just have a vertex mode to go to vertex mode. Okay, just a quick reference over there. Now the joints instead has a little bit more stuff. So they can coexist if you like, but they don't have to. Okay, so I will remove the geometry section from here. So we can have a all joints selection, only the M joint selection, meaning the regular animation joints, those that start with M from there. Okay, all of the collision volume bones, the C joints, as you can see there. You can reset the skeleton if you had something, some shape going on. We're going to reset to the actual default, real default, with all of the scales at 1, with no shape, not even the default shape. The original skeleton that was built originally before any kind of shape, also the default shape. Then we have the decrease and increase joint size. This is the equivalent of going to the display, animation, animation and joint size. It's exactly the same as going here and make a change over there. But you can do that from here. So joint size, you can increase it from here, decrease it. Okay, and we can also have the meter joint scale. That is good for when we have a meter size avatar. But usually we just need the centimeters joint scale, which is good enough to actually see the joints but not having them in the way. But just in case that you have a different shape, maybe you're making your own avatar with different proportions and everything, and this becomes too thin to see, you can increase or decrease even more. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.